So here is a tip for replacing those books. You're going to look at the books you want to replace. And let me go. Let's say I want to look up Tom Sawyer cover art. And then I'm going to go for images. And I want to find a good Tom Sawyer book. And I'd like one that is basically the same shape as the book that we have in the shelf already. So if I click on that, then I right click on that, copy image address, and I right click on that, replace image by URL, and then replace. And it keeps the same sizing. So again, I could repeat it for this one. Oh, I don't need to do that yet. So I can go here and I can look up 20,000 leagues. I spelled that, but I got it anyway. And then I could right click on that, copy image address, come back, right click, and then you don't lose the shape of the object.